In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 of the top reasons why he is not asking you out on a second date. Let's talk about the 3 reasons that may be the cause of him not asking you out on a second date. The first reason is he just doesn't like you. This is not a bad thing. I mean, do you like every man that you date? Well, I hope you date enough men that your answer is also no. Because here's the thing, you want to date multiple men at the same time and actually date them as if they are not the one. Not date each one hoping they are the one. That gives off the wrong energy. But most of all, you want to be really clear and discerning of which men have potential and which men just don't. And for him, you just didn't have the potential of fitting into what he's looking for. That gets to be okay. Not all men have to like you, just one does. Number 2, you came on too strong. You were overexcited, you were asking too many questions, you were posturing, trying to be cool, trying to be pretty, and instead you weren't being authentic. You came off as trying too hard, needy, and desperate. I will post a video here about neediness and desperation and how to stop coming across that way to a man. And you might not know that you're doing it. So go watch this video after watching the rest of this one. Being needy and desperate and filling the air and leading and, trying too hard is really, really off-putting for a man. So that might be the reason why he didn't ask you out on a second date. If you like this video so far, remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and let me know that you liked this video so that I will continue coming out with 2 videos every week with this kind of content. The third reason you may not be asked out on a second date is that you were uninviting. You were not inviting him in. Feminine power is being alluring and being open and inviting a man to lead, inviting him to ask you on a second date. When he says things to move the relationship forward or to move the dating forward, like, I've really enjoyed this time. If you say, that's not very inviting if you're nervous. But if you just say, same here, I've really enjoyed your company. Thank you so much for the coffee, for example. Thanking a man goes a long way. Then he knows you are open to his next move. So you create the openness and he can go for the next move. When he says relationship moving forward things, so those are things like, I would love to see you again. I've had such a great time. Let's get together soon. Kind of hints on moving on to another date. You could just openly and beautifully respond with saying, I would love that. That would feel so amazing. Or I'm looking forward to it. Or that would be lovely. So being open, even just your stance being open, allows him to lead the date forward and giving him vibes that you're interested, that you're okay. Like you don't have to play games and play coy and play hard to get. Men don't get those hints. They don't get it. They don't understand that it's a game and that you actually mean he should chase you. No, he takes it as she's not interested, so he moves on, even if he was interested in you. So without being obvious and copious and needy and aggressive and asking him out and flaunting, saying it 100 times, being open and being kind and thanking him and showing that you're excited when he mentions moving the date to another date, that is the openness I'm talking about, and that will go a long way. My name is Barbara Santon, and I help successful single women attract and magnetize the relationship of their dreams. So comment below if you are going to try this, if you have tried it and how it worked, and I can't wait to hear about your experiences. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.